Hello everyone. We at IPER-UG have always believed in our motto, do more, be more. In the last 1 year, each one of us has faced many challenges. But IPERians see challenges as opportunities to do more, be more. At IPER-UG, not only did the classroom went online, but so did the student community events, because we know how critical these 3 years of graduation are in a student's life. This is the time for him to develop, and that too a 360-degree development.
Why in IPER-UG we only work on this philosophy, do more, be more. करते चलो, बन जाओ.